What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a unboxing. This is just a very small unboxing from PlannerKate, and this has been sitting on my little desk here for about a week or so, and I just wanted to show you guys kind of what I got. So let's go ahead and get started. So I've got my little scissors here, and we're just gonna open this up. And these little foldable scissors are so stinking cute. I think I got these off of Amazon. I will try to find these and link these below in the description. Okay, so go ahead and open her up. And of course, we always have the beautiful wrapping paper with the logo sticker here. And I'm just going to go ahead and pull all of these little goodies out. Alright, so I wanted to get another binder because the one that I have, the current binder that I have is like full. Like when I say that this bad boy is full, I need to redo how I have these stickers stored. I think I want to use one for like sticker kits and then one for like my everyday use, like my icons and scripts and all that kind of stuff. So I think that's what I want to do eventually. So let's go ahead and open her up. And this right here is the packing slip, so I will just reference this to the side just in case if I need to make sure that I have everything, like that I'm telling you guys correctly about everything. So I ended up, like I said, getting another PlannerKate binder. This is under the organization tab on the PlannerKate website, and it is the mini binder. It is the 3 rings. And I went ahead and picked up a 6 divider set, and this is I-divider-3 on the PlannerKate website. And this is a 7x9 binder. So, and this is the 1.5 inch also. So you have the nice pretty PK logo here, and then you have PlannerKate's websites listed there at the bottom. So that's pretty cool. So let's just go ahead and open up these right here. So I didn't want to get a whole lot when I ordered this, but it has been a minute since I had actually ordered from PlannerKate. Okay. So PlannerKate always has your freebies. So this is V1. This is just some labels. And we have some push pins, super cute. This is V94. We also have V103. This is your dates in the circles. And then we have our month-141. So this is like your monthly bill. So like mortgage, rent, car payment, cell phone, that sort of thing. So these are it. And I hope that you guys can see these. Okay. All right. So we're going to set that aside. You always get a PlannerKate business card with all of their information on there. And you can always use PKLove20 for 20% off on anything. So that's always a good coupon code to use anytime that you shop with PlannerKate. And so here we go. So I got these to possibly put at the bottom of my planner. And I don't actually have it out, but I will try to grab it before the end of this video and show you guys. But, so this is STK-193-A, and this is in the 7x9 size because my planner is a 7x9 planner. So I got that. And then these are all the black and white icons that I wanted to get. Since I'm filming YouTube videos now, I wanted to get some stickers to help me plan for those type of videos. So I have the little filming with a little heart on there, and this is BW-001. I'm going to move these to the side so you can see these a little bit better. So there is that one, and then I have the YouTube play button, and this is BW003. And then I'm also a Amazon affiliate, so I got some Amazon black and white icons also, and this is BW-043. And I have a Facebook group. I will have it linked below also if you want to join in on the fun. And that's where I usually post like all of my, well, I'm trying to start posting more on there as far as like my Amazon affiliates links, and I'm also a Walmart creator, an influencer, so I have a storefront for Walmart also. But PlannerKate, I could not find any Walmart icons on there, so, but that's okay. So, but this one for the Facebook is BW-076. And then the last one that I got is TikTok Shop. Well, TikTok, I am on TikTok Shop, so I post a lot of videos on there as well regarding TikTok Shop. And this one is sheet BW-103. So those are all of the black and white icons that I had got. Okay, and then the next thing that I got was, these were on sale, I believe, and I actually paid, let's see, V91B. Oh, it doesn't tell me on here. Okay, so these are like the muted Erin Condren Tulle colorway because my planner is in the Tulle colors, and this is sheet V-91-B, and I just love these little flags. They are just super, super cute, and I love them. So that is one sheet. The next sheet that I got was daily headers. You can never have too many days of the week headers. So yeah, I got these also in the color Tulle colorway. This sticker sheet is V-71-E. And the next sheet that I got is another colorway. I'll try to link the actual name of the colorways on here as well, but this is V-71-D. So these two kind of go together a little bit. So yeah, these are very, very pretty colors. And then these are album stickers. I wanted to possibly, I don't know yet. I don't know if I want to just use like one of these labels on here for the, like, to name my actual binders, or if I want to actually put like, say, icons, like if I could just stick the icons on here, like on my little divider tab here, or on like the page protectors to let you know like this is the start of icons or decorative or doodles or whatever the case may be. So I'm not really sure just yet how I want to use these, but I wanted to grab one because they were also on sale. And this is the sheet PK-100-B, and these are the PK album stickers. And then the last sheet here that I got is nail polish. These are the doodle stickers. Doodle-062-A is this sheet. And I got these because I do my own nails. Yes, I actually do my own nails. And I just recently smashed my thumb again in my door. This makes the second time I've done this, but it's been a minute since I had done it the first time, but it's fine. But anywho, but yes, I do my own nails at home, and it is the best thing ever, and I absolutely love it. I actually have a package here to open up, so I will probably do another video on this, opening the package and doing color swatches, because I really want to switch all of my gel polishes to D&D brand. I've always heard such very good things about them, and I see them all the time on my TikTok of people doing their own nails using that brand. I currently use Madam Glam and I use some Beatles brands, but I feel like the quality of the D&D is a whole lot better. Yeah, so I want to give them a try, and I will, like I said before, I will do a video on me opening, unboxing, and swatching those colors. Okay, so the next thing that I got was these full sheet stickers. So in the beginning, when I first got my planner and I was doing a unboxing video and first impressions of the planner, I was trying to figure out what to do with the pages. There are certain pages that I'm not ever going to use, but I wanted to get something on here, or I wanted to get like a full sheet of sticker to, yeah. Anywho, so I got this one, which is birthdays. This is sticker STK-236-A. And again, these are all in the 7x9 size. And of course, you have your January through your December. So you just put your day here and who the birthday is for. So like for myself, August, I'll put August the 3rd and then put my name or whatever. The next one that I got is a reading log sticker. This is STK-166-A, and you have your title here. You can put your author and check if it was an Audible, your physical book, or your e-reader, and then you can mark how many stars are your rating, and you have 30 of these. So I really want to use this somewhere in my planner. Order tracker is another big one. I order a lot of stuff, even though I'm not supposed to. Hubby, for watching this, I'm sorry. But you have your date, your order number, your shop items, your shop and your item, whatever you bought, how much it is, if it shipped, and when you received it, you can just check it off. And this is sticker STK-174-A. And the last sticker that I got is a bill tracker. I had one of these in my other planner and I loved it. So I can just actually just see how many, like what all my bills are and if I had paid them for that month. So you have your January through January. Oh, sorry. I just realized, I was like, wait a minute. This is not January through your typical December. But I forgot that I got the option. You have the different selections of doing like July through January. And that's what I did because my planner starts in July. So this is July, August, September, October, November, and so forth. So you list your bill here, what day that it's due, and then you check off each month that you've paid it. So this actually concludes my little video. I didn't want to make it very long because this wasn't a very big haul, but I just wanted to show you guys what I have purchased from PlannerKate. And again, if you guys have any questions about anything, leave them in the comments below and I will do my best to answer those. And I will have all of these listed in the description. We'll try to. There are several sheets, but I may just list the like I'll tag PlannerKate's website and then I'll just list the different sticker SKUs or whatever. So yeah, so anyways, I hope that you have a good one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.